Hello guys, today we're playing 100 Days at Sea. This is actually my first time playing this.
Zipper ko na lang, ate. Tawag daw kita.
Daily
Get
quest.
more blocks.
Oh, thank you.
10 minutes. Okay na.
Wait. What's this?
Okay, go.
The Bermuda Triangle promise riches for those who seek it, but what it lies in its waters no one knows. Legend says pirate hunts the seas, but that's just a myth for children's stories, or so it may seem. Yesterday, strange sounds were heard from the last crew that went missing, and then silence. What or who did this? You have been tasked to uncover Bermuda's mysteries and find survivors. Help will come Help will come in day 100. No one has ever made it back alive. Dang. That's actually okay, I guess clash out. What can we get? Battle Puka, Sharpshooter, Zookeeper, and some other stuff. Bro, why is this the only one? Yeah. Companion shop. Boost yourself with new companions. You know what? Let's start. I guess. Let's start. Start, I guess.
Sabi nyo, sige pa! Sige pa! Sige pa!
You know what? Yeah, no. Let's join him. No. Never mind. Let's just wait for someone to go ahead. And then, no, I'm going to be the first one. Yeah. Everyone is actually welcome. Yeah, we got 3 members. We got 3 crews in. No, 2 crews. No, what happened to the other guy? No. Now we are being teleported to the island. Chop trees, then put wood on the bonfire. Hey, yo. How is there a chest here? Good, flat, and ammo. Actually, never mind. This is like 99 Nights in the Forest. He's actually already annoying. Hey, exactly. You know what? Yeah. Short wall, small shelter. You know what? Yeah, let's go and explore. Yeah, let's explore some of the islands. There can be a match, so we need to fight him. Come here.
May daw daw.
Hey, fisherman. Oh, meat. Food.
Manta, black,
Carberries.
Jola.
Small scraps. Is there any more? I think I can see something
Iwan daw
from
amin
here.
neta.
Look and trade.
Ang laki daw bahay niya. Beep, beep.
Oh, more ammo.
Kuya, alis
May
mo
flare?
to.
Flare ammo? Dang.
Ito na daw tao, takay na daw.
Oh, so this is the fisherman. I thought where the fisherman went.
Sabi nyo,
Oh, dinghy.
Sabi nyo daw.
Nice.
Parang ko
Meat
daw,
equals, what is that? Oh.
Hi guys!
Wait, there seems to be like
Sabi ko,
something
Simon daw
here.
na Taimon. Hi! Ito daw
There's
daw.
something inside of this rock
Hello!
that I don't know how to get in, I guess.
Upo na lang daw siya. Sabi daw ito.
There's something
Bye-bye.
like an egg entrance. You know what? Let's go back to our home. So now we know that we can actually get some the small.
Sabi ko daw,
Oh.
for nanoikan.
Yeah.
Tulog daw siya. Tawag nyo daw itan. Open nyo na lang daw.
Wait, where's
Ito na daw.
where is bro
Daw
at?
siya.
Oh,
Tawag
machete.
nyo na daw itan.
Bro, why can't I pick
Hello
that?
guys! Ito. Ikaw na. Ito daw itan.
Did bro leave? Yeah, I'm all alone again.
Uwi na daw itan.
Saksak mo nga yan.
You know what? I will be the one who is upgrading the fire.
Ma, tulog na nung kamay niya.
Small crates. Where's the small crate? Oh, fuck. Oh yeah, I already have it. Yay. Shelter. Rotate. Wooden gate and short fence. Container, shelter. Radio. Now let's get more. What? Yeah. Craft a map radar. Oh, attack! Hey yo, crab. Crackers. Hey, what's that? Meat. What? I can just that. Hey yo, a harpoon. Got a harpoon. A machete. I don't know what are the small crates for. Is there any more I could get? What's this? A potato. Yeah. Wait, what's that? Oh yeah, ammo. Oh no, big gas can. We need that. So I think this is our boat. just actually crash here. Don't know what are the two. Wait,
Uy, stuck na ako. Hey! Stuck na ako. Nano yun? Ito na naupon mama ko. Pero bago na. Lemon kuya.
what does he mean by that map?
Flip!
I actually joining with the I think
Ano yan? Laro nyo?
let's go ahead and then think wait, where's the boat? What? Yeah, let's try to save him.
Boat, ship,
Well, how is there?
Mama on mama. Ba,
There's
why?
secret entrance here.
Ay,
Never mind.
mom kuya
I
na.
thought there is a secret there.
Pwede.
I think we need to actually
Alam mo yung ano, yung mga tao, pag nagbibigay ko nagpapakita ng ginawa nila na lady.
you know what? Yeah, let's chop a lot of wood. We can go ahead and
Open grandma, please. Kasi yung bata
yeah, stop it.
Kuya, after mo tapos yung nahulog, sabi nung lalaki. Kaya mo yung kanina ko
It's like a ninja. I'm like a ninja.
Uy! Hala, taki ako! Malo! Ayaw mo pa dito. Yung
Nice.
dalawang tao daw nakatira
Let's put it
dito.
here. Oh, we need one more tree. Quick, hurry.
Dito daw, anak, dito ba yung nag-aantay? Hi, ma'am, kuya.
Nice.
May
Now let's save him. He's dead. Let's go to bed later, but we need to try to save him. Right. We're here.
Hi, ma'am, kuya. Pwede na. Laro pa kami. Kuya, bilit nyo na. Kuya!
Oh, ka lang. Video ako eh. Oh, the harpoon. Okay, where is he? Where's the man? Said he's here, but where? Where is exactly? This game is actually bugged. You know what? This is going to be the end of the game. Bye bye.